Hello, I'm in a 2013 Ford C-Max, and today I'm going to show you how to refill the gas tank. So you go around to the passenger side, and then you should see this little door here. It's just got a safety cover here that should push to open. That's what the inside all looks like. Just like that. And then it's got one of these easy fuels, so if you're at the gas pump, you can just stick right in there, fill with your regular unleaded as is directed. Something like an 87 or so should work fine. And then when you're done, just make sure it's not nothing broken or bent out of place. But when you close it, it locks in place again. And if you're not at a gas pump, the way to get a gas can to fill these easy fuels is there's a special white funnel that you should find in your trunk near your spare tire. But you know, it's probably about this long or so that you'll stick in there and then fill into your white funnel from your gas can. These are just about sort of like emissions control, so that just sticking your gas can straight in might not work, and it might look like it's just flooding onto the road. But yeah, you should see if this one's got it. Usually, yeah, it's right here. So this, if you pull it out, I'm having trouble with one hand pulling this out. But this funnel here, it'll just slide right out. I can't get it with one hand, but it's just a little funnel that you'll stick in there. But I hope this is helpful. Hope you have a wonderful day.